The best thing about working at SKIM is the flexibility and the way they treat their people.
You know, the culture is very much about you taking the initiative rather than being told what to do, and I think that really kind of permeates everything that everybody does at SKIM.
I've worked in startups and I've worked in large corporations, and SKIM really gives me the best of both worlds.
At the heart of what SKIM does is its methodology and kind of purity and rigour of methodology.
That technical strength at the bottom and the academic thinking at the top was the thing that really attracted me to SKIM.
Not only are we working smart with our clients, but we're working smart, which means that we are able to absolutely realise the free time and the downtime that we need.
With 2 young kids, you know, I'm always juggling, but SKIM's really flexible.
I think the best thing about SKIM is the diversity of opportunities that the business has.
The best thing about working at SKIM has to be the level of responsibility and ownership, but all the fun that goes along with it.